Hi, this is Sean from Untitled Coins. Today we got some graded gold coins. We took these to Central States Coin Show and had them graded from Pcgs right there so we can get them back in 24 hours instead of 3 months. So we did get those back and we're going to share with you right now. So we went to the Central States Coin Show. I brought some gold coins, pre-1933 gold coins, to get them graded so I can get them back faster. They did grade them in 24 hours. That's good news because usually it's 2, 3, some stuff right now is taking 4 months to get graded. So we got these back in 24 hours at the Central States Coin Show, and hopefully we got some amazing coins out of the grading. So, first up, we got 1897 $20 gold piece, and all these coins I bought raw over the counter the last 3 months, piecing them together to have a whole submission out of it. So this is, like I said, it's the 1897 $20 gold piece. Very nice, beautiful luster, nice orange color, and this one did grade out as a 63. Again, these will all be available on our website at hertelescoins.com. Couple of them, they're nice enough, we'll send them to CAC. Next up, another $20 gold piece. This is a 1904. Again, very nice, beautiful orange luster on it. Nice coin. Little bit of green spotting on this one, unfortunately. But still, overall, a very nice coin. And PCGS graded this one as MS63. Very nice. Nice, beautiful coin. Got another $20 gold piece, and this is a 1925 St. Gaudens. Very beautiful coin, no spotting. Nice original color. Very beautiful. This one graded as MS64. So nice, collectible, graded $20 St. Gaudens. Next we have smaller piece this time. This is a 1907 $2.50 gold piece, or as they call it, a quarter gold eagle. Very nice orange coin. No spotting on this one. Nice little luster on this one. And this one graded MS62. So it's nice to get an uncirculated grade on this one. Very nice. Next we have $2.50 Indian gold. This is a 1927 2.5 gold Indian. Very nice coin, full detail on it. And this one graded MS62. So our grading so far has been good. Worth the grading fees, at least. This is a 1911 $2.50 gold piece, gold Indian. Again, full detail on this one. And this one graded MS62. Very nice. 2 more coins to go. Next up, one of my favorite designs of pre-33 gold. This is a 1926 $10 Indian gold piece, or a half eagle. Like I said, the 10 Indian is my favorite, one of my favorite designs for a pre-33 gold piece from the U.S. Very beautiful coin. Full detail on this one. Nice luster. Absolutely gorgeous. And this one graded MS63. It's very nice. Lastly, we got an itty bitty little piece of gold. This is an 1880 $1 gold piece. Nice little coin. Little bit of flash of PL on it. Other than that, very beautiful coin. Amazing luster on it. I'll take a closer look. As you can see, the face is flawed. A little bit of scratches behind the face, but other than that, it's absolutely gorgeous coin. Really love this one. And this one graded MS64. So very, very happy on this one. It's probably one of my favorite coins out of the bunch besides the 10 Indian. Well, thank you for joining us. Getting the coins graded at the show definitely worked out. Like I said, these will be on our website soon, and also we're going to have more coins to show you. So please always like and subscribe, hit the notification bell to see when our next video is. And I hope to see you guys then. Thank you.